Schools have reopened and it's so difficult to keep your kids motivated after such a long gap. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing some back to school crafts which can add some fun to your kids' lives. Hi guys, my name is Eman and I'm the Miss Lassie. Welcome to my channel. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like this video as well to help support my channel. The crafts I'm making in this video are going to help your kids show their personality, and it's just going to be very fun and very easy. You can make these DIYs with your kids or younger siblings to keep them motivated for school. So without further ado, let's dive in. For the first DIY, we are going to customize some paper clips into bookmarks. For this DIY, we are taking foam sheets in different colors. You can make any shape or element that you want. I'm making a cupcake. First, make the shape of the cupcake on a black foam sheet. Cut it out. Then draw the icing on the foam sheet in the color of your choice. Cut this out. Paste this onto the base. Cut sprinkles from different colored foam sheets. Paste them onto the icing. Draw the cake of the cupcake onto a brown foam sheet. Cut this out and paste this onto the base. Next, I'm making an ice cream cone. Make the shape of the cone on a brown foam sheet. Cut this out. Draw the ice cream scoops on 3 different colors. Draw the ice cream in a dripping effect. Cut them out and paste them onto the cone. Next, I'm making a heart eye emoji. Cut a circle out of a yellow foam sheet. Cut 2 hearts from a red foam sheet and paste them as eyes on the yellow foam sheet. Cut them out and paste this onto the emoji. Next, glue paper clips at the back of these elements and cover them up with a small piece of foam sheet. For the next bookmark, we are making a pom-pom. Take a fork and wrap your yarn around it multiple times. Take a piece of yarn and tie it around the middle. Cut the yarn at each end. Smoothen out the pom-pom with the fork. Use the piece of yarn that you tied around the middle of the pom-pom to tie it around the paper clip. For the next bookmark, I'm using a thin yarn. Wrap it around your hand multiple times. Take it off and take it through a paper clip. Tie this up with a small piece of yarn. Neatly cut the end of the tassel. Yes, that's about it. Very easy and very fun to make. For the next DIY, we are going to customize a pencil case by making our own stickers. For the stickers, you can use a color palette so that it goes with your style and your personality. Search for the PNG images of the elements you want to use on Google, paste them on Word file and print them out on glossy paper. Cut each of the element out. Make sure to leave a very thin white border around the outline of each element. Take baking paper and cut a large piece out of it. Take a white clear plastic tape and paste it onto the baking paper. Place your elements onto the tape and cover them up with tape. Cut the elements out, making sure to leave some excess tape around the elements. Your stickers are ready. Just peel the baking paper off and stick them to a clear plastic pencil case. Wasn't this easy? Yes, it was, and it was so much fun to make. For the next DIY, I'm going to show you how you can customize notebook covers and add your personality into them very easily. Take a notebook. You can paint this in any way you want. I'm going to paint it in 2 colors. Take painter's tape or paper tape and paste this onto the center at a diagonal angle. I'm painting the bottom pink. Once dry, take the tape off. I'm painting the top yellow. I'm also painting the edges of the paper and the spiral binding. Once this is dry, take a small piece of baking paper. Draw your design onto it. I'm making a bunny. Take washi tape and cover your design with washi tape. Make sure that the layers of the washi tape overlap one another. Cut this out. Peel off the baking paper and paste this onto the notebook. Then make a pom-pom and paste this as the tail. And your DIY notebook cover is ready. That's about it. These are very easy and fun DIYs that you can make with your kids to keep them motivated and to add their personality to their school supplies. I have more DIY videos on my channel related to fashion, decor and organization. Don't forget to check them out. You can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter. The links are in the description box below. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video to help support my channel. So until next time, take care, have fun and be messy. Bye!